I'm going through a divorce. Anyone else? Good, me too. So I'm going through a divorce. And when I first met the woman that became my wife, and now my ex-wife, I'm from Canada, and I had to drive to where she was. And Canada has blizzards. Canada, if you don't know what a blizzard is, imagine all the shame in England fell from the sky, and it was wet and cold. That's what it's like. And Canada, we don't acknowledge it. We don't acknowledge it. You just drive. What was that? That's just one guy, my friend. There's like 300 other people here, but no fucking fooling you. Did he talk to you about blizzards earlier and you're like, I'm not hearing about this twice? I'll just assume everyone in this room knows what it's like to have your individual experience. Is that what happened? Exactly. I don't think you came across very well in that joke. But I like you still rolled with it. You seem confident and in a fun way at first. Thank you, that side, for getting that joke. This side, this section, let's pick it up. So, I was driving through a blizzard. In Canada, you don't acknowledge it. If it's a blizzard, you're just like, we'll make it. Like, I've been driving with friends, and a 18-wheeler in front of us will shake and then just fall off the road. And instead of getting out to help, we'll stay in the car going, I'll tell you why that happened. He doesn't know how to account for black ice. And